Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film a clean with me video. I know I've done I think one or two of these before in the past where I usually just show you guys how I clean my kitchen and my living room area, but it has to be cleaned, so I decided to just film another one today. I'm having kind of a blah day today. It is, what time is it? It's 3:07 and I haven't done much. And I don't know why. I feel like this heaviness on me and I'm feeling like unmotivated today. I have this list of things that I have to get done and phone calls that I have to make, and I can't find myself, like I don't have like the energy today to do anything. I don't know why. And then that makes me feel like I'm slacking when I know there's so much that has to be done and I'm just not in the mood. I'm just not feeling it. I don't know, but I decided to just go ahead and clean my kitchen because I haven't even touched my kitchen in like 2 to 3 days. I haven't done the dishes. I'm telling you, slacking full mode on 100%. I have been slacking so much. So I was like, let me go ahead and clean the kitchen. Let me go ahead and declutter my work area. I've actually been working out of my dining area. I do have an office downstairs, but I have been using this because there's just so much natural lighting here that I absolutely love it. Being around natural lighting just kind of gets me going. It makes me feel super energized and it just makes me feel better, rather than being downstairs in the actual office that only has one window and minimal lighting. It's just so dark in there. I just can't. I really do have to turn that space into an area that makes me feel created and energized, but right now it's not that. So I'm working from my dining room. It is super cluttered, so I also have to declutter this area. Maybe that's why I don't feel like getting things done, because things are just so messy and cluttered everywhere. So I am gonna go ahead and start cleaning. I'm gonna start now because I have to leave in about 1 hour and 45 minutes. Hopefully that's enough time for me to get everything going. And I'm hoping that once everything is nice and clean, it'll just clear up my brain and I could just get things done, because I have a lot of things to do and I'm just not, I haven't been feeling it. I feel like today was just a waste for me. Like I said, it's 3 o'clock and I haven't really done much. So besides watch an episode of Southern Charm on Bravo. Oh, and I also saw the reunion of the Housewives of New York. But yeah, I've been couch potato. I don't like it. I don't like it. But anyways, enough of me ranting. I could literally do a video of like my feelings, but I'm not gonna do that, even though I just did that. But let's go ahead and start cleaning. I hope that makes me feel better.
Okay, so I'm someone who finds candles very therapeutic, so I started off by lighting a candle just to get my mood going when it came to cleaning the house. I started off with the living room and I have a lot of little things lying all over the place, so I just started cleaning everything up, gathering all of the things that didn't belong in the living room and putting them away. Okay, now this is one of my favorite things when it comes to cleaning. This is the Swiffer duster and it is absolutely amazing at doing what it says and gathering all of the dust in your home. I use it to clean everything around my TV stand. I use it to clean my blinds and my curtains, and I even use it in my car to clean my dashboard before I go in and polish everything off. This thing is amazing and I absolutely love it. After I was done dusting, I went ahead and cleaned my TV stand and then I vacuumed. I have this shaggy carpet in my living room, and although it is super comfortable and really soft on your feet, it is very difficult to keep clean because if something falls, it kind of disappears in there. So I have to make sure it's always vacuumed and clean. Since I already had the vacuum out, I went ahead and moved on to the kitchen and vacuumed my runner before tackling the mess of the kitchen. Now, as you can see, I had things everywhere, and this is when I start to get a little overwhelmed, when I have a lot of little things lying all over the place. So I just took a breather and just start putting everything away one by one. All of the things that went upstairs, I kind of put in a corner so that I could take up there. But everything else, I just started putting away. Everything that belonged in the pantry, I put all that away. Things that belong in the trash, I put everything away. And then I cleaned the back section of the kitchen because I didn't really have anything on there. I cleaned all of the countertops. One of my favorite cleaners is the spray by Mrs. Meyer's. I usually use the lemon scented one for my kitchen. And after I was done wiping everything down, I moved on to the dishes. That is usually the last thing I do. I clean everything and then I leave the dishes last. So when I'm done with the dishes, I'm pretty much done with the kitchen. I cannot clean without music, so I always have my music going. And then I just started doing the dishes and putting everything in the dishwasher. I am the type of person who rinses everything first and then puts it in the dishwasher. I feel like it's just cleaner when I make sure there's nothing on there and then I put it in the dishwasher. Who else does that? I know I'm not the only one. So after I was done with the dishes, I went ahead one more time and wiped down everything in the main counter, and I was done with the kitchen.
Okay, so I just finished cleaning the kitchen and I'm feeling kind of hot. I'm gonna turn the AC down because moving around and doing other stuff just makes me, you know, gets my blood going. But anyways, I'm done with the kitchen and the living area. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tackle my dining room slash work office space. This is where I work most of the time. I brought my computer up here one time because my son was up here and I was downstairs. I didn't want him up here by himself. I brought my computer up here and I stayed. I didn't go back down to the office. I love all of the windows. There's windows all over the place. The natural lighting just gives me like this natural energy and I absolutely love it. But I do need to clean this up so that I can have a clear mind to just work, because when things are cluttered, I can't concentrate like that. I have just random things everywhere. I have hair samples here on the chair. It's just stuff all over the place. I do have a hair company. If you guys don't know, I have my own brand of curly clip-in hair extensions that I absolutely love and I'm so proud of. I love what I do. I love you guys, my supporters. Thank you so much. I do hear you when you say that you want lighter colors. It is just a little bit difficult when it comes to curly hair and having light colors, because you want the hair not to lose its quality or its curl pattern, and that is like a balance, you know what I mean? So it's not that I don't want to add color to the website, or to the clip-in, you know, to the hair. It's just I don't want to add color and have the color not be accurate or have it affect the quality of the hair. But it is something that I'm working on. I have some hair hanging there that I'm testing out. I've washed it a couple of times. I'm working on it, okay? If you guys want to check out Curly Heaven, I will link the website down below in the description box. I would appreciate any support that I can get. I pour my heart into that company. I really do. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and clear all of this out. And then I think I'm done with this area. Then I'm gonna go ahead and move upstairs, clean my son's room really quickly. It's really not that messy, but I'm just gonna go ahead and dust it, vacuum it, and put away his laundry, and I should be done. And to be honest, I do feel a lot better. Maybe I just needed to just get up off my ass and get something done. I have been really productive all week, but today I hit like a lump. Like, it took me a while to get going, but now that I kind of got going, I'm feeling better. So let me just keep up the momentum before I get lazy again.
Okay, when it comes to cleaning my dining room area, aka my mini office space, it is really easy. I just grabbed this huge bag that I use for my groceries and I started putting everything in there that I needed to move down to the actual office. So I put everything in there just to make it easier for me to carry just one thing versus multiple things. And then I cleaned the top of the table just to make sure the wood was nice and shiny. I vacuumed and the dining area was done. So I bought some blueberry muffins, which are one of my favorites, and I put them in this little display just so it could look nice and pretty. And the kitchen was pretty much done. Here is a before. What a mess. And here is the after. that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have a messy room, I really hope this inspires you to get up and start cleaning. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.